Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the tech news of the day. First news is from ISRO. So Chandrayaan-3 has successfully finished its mission. It has landed on the southern pole of the moon, and Pragyan, its rover, has also taken its first steps for the scientific discoveries. This is definitely a huge milestone for India and especially for ISRO. So definitely a huge congratulations to ISRO from everyone. Next news is about the Honor phones. So recently Honor has been teasing about details about the upcoming phone bit by bit, and recently they have stated that the upcoming Honor phone that's going to be launched in India will come with pre-installed Google apps. Now this was something many people were asking about, will we get Google apps or not on the Honor device? So the answer is yes. So if you're planning, you can buy the Honor devices without worrying about Google services. You can use them, they come pre-installed. Next, we have a small tip about WhatsApp. So now on WhatsApp, we can actually create groups without any names. So if you want to create a group on WhatsApp without any name, like just like a blank page, you can do it now. Next, we have news from Gamescom. Now yesterday I have talked about Asus, which has launched 2 new monitors with 4K resolution and 240 FPS screen refresh rate. Now today we have news from Alienware, where they have launched a brand new monitor with 24.5 inches screen with Full HD resolution, but with 500Hz screen refresh rate. It has a native of 480Hz screen refresh rate, and if you overclock it, it can go as high as 500Hz. So for gamers who are interested in high refresh rate displays, you can definitely consider it. It's priced around $650. Moving on, we also got to see a brand new headset called the HyperX Cloud 3, which actually has a battery life of 120 hours. Like you can just charge it and keep continuing playing with it without charging for straight 120 hours. If you're a heavy gamer, you might want to check this headset out. Next, we have news from Samsung. So Samsung has launched a new feature in the latest version of One UI. That's the One UI version 5.1.1 and the One UI 6.0 beta, where you can actually use your own voice for Bixby. You can just go to settings, sample your voice, and then Bixby will talk in your own voice. You can modulate it. There are other alternatives as well, but mainly this particular feature will be used for text calls and stuff like weather forecast information. Like you ask Bixby, tell me the weather information, and it'll talk back in your own voice. I think it sounds a bit creepy. Now for some leaks, Vivo V29e is going to be launched in India in just few days, I guess August 28th, and we got almost all the specifications. It comes with a Snapdragon 695 processor. Its price range is going to be about 25,000 rupees. Honestly, it looks pretty good, but not that impressive when you specifically compare its performance. I would suggest you to completely skip it and maybe consider the iQOO phones, which actually offer you great value for money. Next, we have some rumors and leaks from Boat. Now, Boat also seems to be working on a wearable device, a ring actually. They are planning to launch it pretty soon. Now, we have heard rumors about a wearable ring from Samsung, Apple, and now we are also hearing it from Boat. Like in a year, we'll be seeing smart wearable rings from almost every brand, Bolt, Noise, and whatnot. Anyway, according to the leaks, the Boat ring can be used to track your heart rate, temperature. It has IP rating as well. So there are all kinds of crazy stuff in a ring, and it sounds pretty bizarre, honestly. And I'm also wondering about how you're going to charge the ring. Like it's going to be pretty interesting. Next, we have leaks about the pricing information about the Jio AirFiber. Now, Jio AirFiber is just like regular internet, but over 5G. Now, Airtel has already started its services. It's starting at 4,700 rupees change for 6 months plan, where it actually uses 5G. And you also have to pay additional 2,500 rupees as a deposit. So that's somewhere around 8,000 rupees. So according to the rumors, Jio AirFiber will be priced around 6,000 rupees, which is around 20% lesser than what competitors are offering. Well, mainly Airtel. So once again, it's not confirmed, and let's see how it turns out. Next, we have news from TVS. TVS has launched the TVS X electric crossover scooter at a price tag of 2,50,000 rupees. That's the ex-showroom Bangalore price. You might also have to get a portable charger as well, which is going to cost additional 16,000 rupees plus GST, I guess. So they've launched this EV. If you're interested, do check it out. Next, we have news from Nokia. Last year in August, Nokia has launched the Nokia 2660, which is a flip phone. Now, after 1 year, they are launching the same phone in 2 new colors. That's the green and pink. They actually call it the lush green and pop pink. So these are the colors. If you're interested in a flip phone, you might want to consider it. By the way, I can imagine myself using it as a secondary phone, especially if I'm someone who travels a lot, maybe on trips or treks or going on a Ladakh tour or something like that. A phone with long standby time is definitely appreciated. Next, we have news from Oppo. Oppo is going to launch their flip phone, Oppo Find N3 Flip, in China on August 29th. And this is actually the first phone to actually come with a triple camera setup, and all 3 cameras are configured by Hasselblad. These are the pictures we got. They're also going to launch a watch. It's called the Watch 4 Pro, and it also looks pretty impressive. Moving on, Jio has already announced about a feature phone called the Jio Bharat 4G phone. Well, now they're going to start selling it on Amazon starting from August 28th in a sale which starts at 12 PM. Now, this is just a feature phone with a 1.7-inch screen, 1000 mAh battery, but the interesting thing is you can watch movies on the phone from Jio apps, and you also seem to be having WhatsApp. You can make payments itself. So it's going to be pretty interesting how the phone's going to turn out. By the way, price is $999, and Jio is making this phone in collaboration with Carbon Phones. So guys, that's pretty much it for the news. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching the video till the end. It means a lot to us. See you next time.